Are you looking for a universal programmer that supports different devices and manufacturers? Algocraft, a company with over 15 years of experience in industrial programming, is glad to introduce you to mISP, the best solution for single-site in-system programming. This compact and budget-sensitive tool can work either in standalone mode or connected to a host PC. It's easy to install and ideal for different programming installations. It houses several connection ports, including Ethernet, USB and RS-232, plus low-level interface. It can support over 10,000 devices like MCU, memories, CPLD, sensors, etc. and more than 50 manufacturers. mISP is the ultimate bridge between R&D and production.